Hey friends, Windows updates are very important for our computer and they push security updates, featured updates, fixes, and new changes to the computer. But in the situation that a Windows update is breaking your computer, in this case, you can consider uninstalling that update. Now, how would you uninstall this update? The procedure has changed a little for the latest 23H2 version in 2023. So the procedure is as follows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you'll notice something called as Update History and click on it. After that, click on Uninstall Updates. The latest update will be mentioned here. Simply click on Uninstall and then click on Uninstall once again. And once you click on this Uninstall once again, it will start removing this update. But this will be available only for the latest 2 or 3 updates, so you will not be able to remove a lot of updates from your computer. In this case, you will have to revert to an older version. I hope this was helpful. Please let us know in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.